again from ProFusion Expo 2025, Toronto. And we are today in the unique name. It's amazing name, Insta360. And with the beautiful Anna here today, she will tell us all the information you are looking for. And hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. So actually, I'm so happy today with you guys. Insta360. I tried from first version and till today. It's amazing camera for multi purposes. You can use it for fun, for sport, for even business, real estate photography, and more and more. So this in like short word, what Insta360 does. I'm not going to say I'll talk about the quality because as you see, 8K. So no more words about that. So I will leave Anna to tell us more about what we have and what is releasing new.
Yeah, no problem. So our goals is to make the creative visual to create a really interesting camera to our content creator, to our user. So we have an 8K 30 fps 360 action camera here. So the mainly is like when you are taking the videos, like when you are traveling around, going to national parks, usually it's like, hey, this one is so beautiful, I want to take a videos here, I want to take photos there. But if you have 360 action cameras, normally, usually all the things around you already being recorded. That's the reason why we need 360 action cameras. You can just enjoy the things you are doing, traveling, sports, because everything will be recording. And you can reframe it after you are making a video.
So you don't need like to focus there, here.
Yeah.
Enjoy the moment,
Yeah.
holding the 360 and with you, and let the camera do the job from you. You can go later and choose which side you want, all of them.
Exactly.
So it's just amazing things.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and you can see we have two lenses in the back and in the front, so we can invisible the selfie stick on here. So it will look like if you are pulling up the selfie stick, you can see my hands. It's invisible, the selfie stick. So when you're holding like this, it will look like somebody else are taking video for you. So you are traveling along, you are doing sports along, but you can have a third perspective videos. That's a really key point about 360 action camera. And also, if you are skiing, if you are going hiking, you worry about break the lens. Our lens is also replaceable. You don't have to shipping back to any like the retailer or anywhere. You can replace the lens at home by yourself. So that's your imagination about X5, our 8K 360 action camera.
It's amazing. Actually, you know what? I like the part when you said that like we don't need a second part like to take a picture for you.
Yeah.
So you don't need to ask your friends to take a picture or be filming you doing like doing something, right?
Exactly.
So and the quality, the 8K, and you can collect also photo and video.
Yeah.
So it's covering everything.
It's
and like comparing with the price, it's also great.
Yeah.
Everything.
Exactly.
So this is the 8K 360.
Yeah. Another thing that we have is for the go watch. Okay, I think
this one.
Yeah, I think it's under. Okay, it's active this. So since we cannot active this one yet, so just simply like introduction what it is. So this one is the camera itself. It's a really small. It's 4K. It's so you
4K.
can. It's 4K.
Okay.
You can put the memory cards on here. And it's magnets, so you can magnet on the
An anti-magnetic thing. Okay.
yeah on the chest. Don't go to the timing. 那个卡给我一下。
Sorry, what? Following, sir?
Oh,
It's okay.
so you can magnet on here, and then you can see we are recording through the action pause. It's actually a preview and also a charge for it. And especially for the people who are in general, it's like feeling awkward to holding up big cameras, like a facing you.
Yeah.
You feel like unnatural. But this one resolving the problem is because it's so small and it was backed up. So recording the moments like the even you're never thinking about before. And many of the customers love to put in their child, to put in their kitty, to their doggy. So see the first perspective of them. So
This is awesome. This is like, I like that. Yeah, no, I like that.
interesting. And it's magnet, which means we can magnet it anywhere.
Anywhere,
Like the
yeah.
words, any words.
Okay.
Yeah. So here's a very fun
You
thing.
can like magnet on the fridge to see who's coming to eat tonight.
Exactly.
This kind of thing.
Exactly.
So we have a drone here.
Yeah, that's the most exciting part.
So this is the exciting part. You said.
Exactly.
Yeah. So it's amazing thing here.
Yep.
So what can you tell us about the drone here?
So the drones is the world first AK-360 drones. Is the
Oh.
world's first.
AK-360.
Yeah, AK-360. So which means it's really incredible experience. When you're taking the drones using the goggles, you are basically see 360. You can see anywhere on you. You want to try?
Wow.
You like to try?
Yeah. Why not?
Yeah,
Awesome.
give it a try. You don't have to take off the glasses.
Okay.
Or if you want, we have a, you can control the glasses. You can control the.
Okay. Yeah. Let me try.
Yeah, the glasses. Put this on your chest.
Let's make it bigger.
You can put it in first. Yeah. Oh, you want to make it bigger or?
Let me take off.
Yeah, take it off.
It's
Yeah.
better.
Yeah.
Me.
And then you can control the yeah.
This one don't have the.
Okay.
You see? Yeah.
Wow.
And you can holding the batteries on your right hand. Yeah. And because we cannot fly in for here today, that's also a controller that basically point to fly. You don't have to learn about how to using the goggle. You just point it, you'll be flying there. Point there, you'll be flying there. And you can see what he's looking through the screen. Could you turn left a little bit? Turn left, turn left, turn left, turn left, turn left, turn left, turn left. And then you can see what exactly he's looking through the screen in the front. And you can turn around to 360. It's 360. So basically anywhere you can see.
Wow. Absolutely, I can see everything everywhere.
Yeah. So now I'm gonna try to pretend you are flying to using the drones.
Wow.
So
Oh.
it will be look like you are the birds. So when you're using the goggle to see the drones, it's 360. So basically anywhere you are looking, it's being recorded because it's 360. It's 8K. You can just enjoy what you're doing. Thinking about you are flying in the sea or in the national park, in the really beautiful places. It's a really incredible
great.
experience.
And very clear, actually.
Yeah.
Wow, this is amazing.
Yeah.
This one.
Wow.
It's an incredible experience.
Oh my God, I like the experience.
Yeah.
It's really giving you the feeling you are flying.
Yeah, yeah. And the most incredible thing is you don't have to thinking about, I would like to take a video using the drones. Because it's AK-360, it already record everything. You can just enjoy what you are doing. That's the key point.
Well, and it's very clear, and I like the resolution, and
Yeah.
really like moving, giving
Yeah.
you the feeling you're flying, really.
Exactly.
And amazing. And it's released already in the market, correct?
So now we are like announcing the products. We're announcing on on our website to tell everybody we have that product. We are not like start selling yet.
Oh, okay. So
But it will come soon.
a very important question they will ask: what the price will be for that?
We cannot tell about the pricing yet,
yeah.
so keep expectations. It will be coming really soon.
This is great.
Yeah.
Actually, thank you so much, Anna, for everything.
Yep.
I love the experience. It's like really, I'm that looking for to test it
Yeah.
and actually to buy it.
Yeah.
Because this kind of cameras or this kind of drones,
Yeah.
really what we are looking for.
Yeah.
360
Yeah.
drone
Yeah.
and with this high resolution, and it's amazing. And so it have sensors from all the 4 sensors or no?
It does have sensor, but we don't have that much spec on
Oh,
like to tell you about
got it.
here.
Okay, so looking forward to see it in the market.
Yeah.
And I think it will be amazing
Yep.
because everyone looking for something like this. It's very cool.
Yeah.
Anna, thank you so much.
Thank you
It
so
was
much.
amazing.
Thank you
And
so much.
I wish to see you again.
We'll
Right?
see you next year.
For sure. Okay, awesome. Thank you, guys. Thank you.